Hello guys, here are the step-by-step process to create company in Tally.ERP 9. Open Tally.ERP 9 software on your computer. From the gateway of Tally, select Create Company to open the Create Company screen. In the Create Company screen, enter the details as required, which are as Name, enter the name of your company. Mailing name, enter the name that you want to appear in the reports. Address, enter the complete address of your company. State, select the state where your company is located. PIN code, enter the postal code of your company. Phone, enter the phone and mobile number of your company. Email, enter the email address of your company. Starting date, enter the date when your company's financial year starts. Press F12. For configuration of setting like password, access control, etc. Press Y for yes and press N for selecting no. Symbol. In this data field, the currency symbol of the country is auto-selected based on the country of origin fed by you in the previous data field. There is no need to change this data field if you are using the same currency for accounting. After entering all the details, press Enter or press Y for yes and N for no to go to the next field. In the next field, you will be asked to select the option for Maintain Account Only or Maintain Account with Inventory. Choose the appropriate option as per your business needs. Select Yes if you have GST number and No if not. After entering all the details, press Enter or click Y to create the company. Your company will now be created in Tally.ERP 9, and you can start using the software to manage your business accounts. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more such informational videos.